Is America's Funniest Home Video still a thing?
Yep.
How much would I win?
I don't know. We could also send it to
Tosh, but he's not
Tosh.
on. I don't know where Tosh went to. Daniel Tosh, where are you? I miss you.
Where did he say he was going? Comedy Network, didn't he? Or leaving there and going somewhere else?
Yeah, he was going somewhere else.
Nope, down a bit. Push it back a bit. There, stop. That'll be perfect. When it falls. He might know what he's doing, but I doubt it.
It doesn't look they have It does not look like they have tension on the line.
No? Where is the line? I saw it there for a minute, but I can't. Oh, there it is.
It's about
I see it now.
7 feet above his head. But does it look like coming down? It doesn't look like there's tension on it.
Does he not look like he's cutting that right at his head, too?
Yeah.
So when the tree goes, and he's up there, is it not going to kick him in the fucking face if they pull it that way?
Well, that's kind of, that's a lot of what I'm thinking. Darwin, stay here. Darwin, come.
Come on. Good boy.
Oh, dog in the way.
Stay here. Lay down, please. You're okay. You lay down. Lay down, buddy. It's good to know that if we got a battery-operated chainsaw, at least we know we could cut a pretty big fucking tree down with one battery.
What I don't understand is they have.
I would never use it for that, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. They have a fucking chainsaw.
I know.
A gas chainsaw. Why
aren't they using
it? And why is he fucking cutting it up there? Like, cut it at the fucking ground and pull it.
Yeah.
I guess he thinks he doesn't have enough area to fall it, and it's gonna get hung up.
Right. Because he has trimmed all the other ones down now, right? Around his yard. Good boy. Stay here, please.
Well, there goes something.
All right. I'm going to pick on my sister.
Darce, sit, please.
Oh, he's...
Oops.
I think he's pretending he's a fucking beaver. He is. He's cutting little elbows, like little chunks out of it.
Well, that's him trying to direct a fall.
I understand that. But I don't think he's cutting straight across on this one either, though.
Well, he hasn't done
another fall.
He hasn't done a back cut. He's still fucking...
Good boy. Please stay here. Lay down.
See, like that tree's like maybe 10 inches around.
Lay down. That's my boy. Just stay here. Thank you.
And if he had his gas chainsaw up there, as opposed to that fucking...
He'd be done already.
Yeah. I just think he's afraid to work with the gas one at the height.
Oh, probably. Right?
That would be my guess, but I don't know.
Then why not let one of your buddies who knows how to use a
right, when,
chainsaw up there? Mind you, maybe that he's saying,
Mike Miller's friendly with him and vice versa, so...
No, I know. But maybe his thought is, if it falls on the house, it's my fault. If he's up there.
What's he fucking losing if it falls on his house?
I know, really, eh? Ooh! He bought the place with it. It's a pretty asshole fucking trailer. Usually there's a Fleetwood fifth wheel for sale.
Nowhere.
1999. So it's older, but it looks like it's in fairly good shape. The biggest thing that I would worry about, obviously, is the frame rusting and the leaking on the top, right?
Mm-hmm. I haven't really looked much lately, to be honest.
Well, I'm just on the buy and sell.
No,
so.
Yeah, but I'm in the last couple months. Oh my god. You're fucked.
You're fucked. Keep it on. Keep it on. Because when this goes south, it's going to be on video.
Oh, you know this is going on YouTube now. For all you YouTube people watching, I fucking predicted this. This is why I'm out here with the fucking phone videotaping that.
Sit.
Because this
Darwin,
guy
sit.
couldn't organize a piss up in a fucking
Darwin.
brewery.
Sit. Hey. Sit. It's none of your business. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. And sit down. Hey. Sit. Sit.
All right.
Mama.
So for anyone watching,
Yeah, he's freaking out.
I'm kind of surreptitiously, I can't even say the word. I'm kind of
Surreptitiously.
videotaping.
Oh, I can't wait for
And
it
if
to
you
fucking
see where the tree is starting to lean
Oh, the wind's blowing, John.
and the wind's blowing, they've got one tie back, and that's the fucking trailer. See the blue jug right there, the water barrel. Just above and behind that is his little piece of shit fucking trailer.
I can't wait. Oh my god.
And
It's
either-
gonna be funny as hell. Okay, let's not laugh. He's gonna be laughing.
Oh fuck that, he's a dick. I'm laughing. He's been nothing but the shittiest neighbor in the fucking world. I mind my own business, and I try and stay away, but he's a dick.
He's put a fence up in between us since we moved up here. Joff down a bit.
Sorry.
There we go. This is gonna be good when it falls on the trailer.
I just hope I have enough battery. I had about 70% when I started.
Just stay. I'm fucking loving this. I'm glad you got me to stay out here. Cheers.
Cheers. Now to all the
Oh.
people in the world that think I'm an asshole for kind of wishing bad, just know, oops,
Cheers.
I don't wish for anybody to get injured. I
No.
never wish that.
But karma.
But karma's a fucking raging bitch.
Yep. This is gonna be good. Oh, I can't wait. Waving.
So what might
Oh my
happen
God.
is I've got so much tension on the line now, and the line's just a tiny little line. I don't know what it is. I think it's just nylon rope.
It's a.
But now he's cut off so much of the base of the tree and it's cracked that at some point the base of the tree, like not the base, but where he's made the cut,
Yeah.
that bit of wood might let go. In which case it's gonna come down.
That's what I'm thinking. There's not much holding it up there right now. The only thing that stopped it from falling right now is that strap, and the strap they said wasn't long enough, and they were adding an extension to it. So
Oh.
that's going to deal with the viability, or whatever you want to call it, of the rope, right?
Yeah. And there's the top of the tree, all the way up there. And it's come down again.
Should turn the
Trailer.
flashlight on.
Cheryl's like 6 miles away, I won't see it.
I can't wait for it to fall.
I know. We're horrible people.
I'm really sorry, but this guy is a male chauvinist.
That's true. He is a man.
He's come at me aggressively a couple of times, so he
Tried-
kind of deserves this.
Tried to intimidate my wife. And of course he does it when I am not home.
So videotaping karma is wonderful. I'm sorry. Good guys. Even my dogs are happy.
You know what that means if they wreck their trailer? They might have to go home before the end of the hunt. For the record, this is his little hunt camp.
Tomorrow is the first day of hunt.
So we live in just outside a small town called Bancroft, Ontario. Population about 3,900.
Depending on which way you
And-
come into town.
And yeah, that's true. Two different signs. Anyways, this guy is from an area of Ontario named Richmond Hill, which is, for those of you that don't know, is just north. Oh my God.
It's starting to crack.
Is just north of Toronto.
Oh, it's leaning so much more.
And they're up here for the hunt.
Oh, stay quiet now. Down.
Get out. What are they doing in the
Jump.
fucking trailer?
This way.
I'm sorry.
Right there. Stay. Because this is going to be good. Maybe he's going to hold the roof up
No.
inside.
I think Dominic's moving his truck. He doesn't want his truck to get wrecked.
Yep, he is. He is. Dom's looking at it going, yeah, this is
Oh,
pretty
you're gonna
pretty.
wreck your trailer. I'm moving my fucking truck.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
We
back
should
to a
tell
little bit of
Dominic to put it into our driveway if he wants.
no, fuck him.
Oh, fuck, I would. Dom? I like Dominic.
So more to the backstory before the big event here. So Frank, that's his name, Frank Bianchi, has owned that property there, which is about 86 acres. He's owned it for since the mid 80s. Cheryl, you're gonna miss it. It's going any second. And ladies and gentlemen,
They are fucking lucky.
that
Didn't do any damage.
ends our programming day. Oh, I think they escaped major fucking problems. Well, I got half of my wish. All right, we're out.